Jonkannoo presents
Jonkannoo, which is one of the oldest dance forms in Jamaica, which was performed on the 3 holidays allowed by the enslaved Africans in the English-speaking Caribbean.
So this is the pitchy patchy. We're learning the pitchy patchy. So you cross and you cross it. Now you go into the second position where you bend your knee. This is called plie. So you
What name?
plie.
Playing.
Plie.
Okay.
Alright, come now play.
Right. So you're in seat. And your seat, you're basically doing a butterfly. But the thing is, you're doing in, out. Then you're moving your feet. Feet, feet, feet. So you're 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Watch Riquez, him catch it.
Okay.
Riquez say, that name a white man shuffle.
You're now move your body in or out.
Look, and for the people them watching, you probably are the worst. So pay attention.
1, 2, 1. Yeah, alert. Alright.
Go again, Riquez. Sure say alert. Wah! Hey, Riquez a go, you know him come a long way.
Alright.
You just learned the pitchy patchy.